Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Made It crew. So in this video, we are going to be taking one of the Canva templates and turning them into something to match our brand. First thing you want to do is log into Canva, of course. All I did was go down to templates and I'm just going to click on Instagram posts. And this is just a few of the templates that Canva has to offer. We're gonna pick something really simple and we're gonna turn it into a really cute flyer for our brand. I do see one that I want to do, but I am gonna scroll down a little bit more just to see if there's anything else that I want to use. Okay, I'm gonna go back up because I do know which one I want to use, and it's this one right here. Okay, so this is the template that we are going to be using. I'm going to try to only use elements from Canva. The only thing that may not be from Canva is the fonts, and I will of course tell you the names of those, but let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to duplicate this page and I'm going to use the Canva models. We went through and found these models in one of our tutorials. I'll put it in the cards because I can't remember specifically which one it was, but be sure to go back and watch that one. I do want to just use this cute picture because she does have a background. A lot of the other models don't. So if I wanted to use a different photo, I could try to find one just by clicking the one that we have and then viewing more from that photographer. All I have to do is just scroll down through the photos and see if I can find something similar or her actual picture. I do like this one, but it's not like, it looks like a painting. I don't want that. Okay, maybe not. This photographer has a lot of pictures of like scenery instead of what I'm looking for, which is the actual model. So yeah, I kind of want it zoomed in on her because it's gonna be like a hair flyer. That's the focus. And center her, maybe just a little bit more. This is important as far as the quality of your photos as well, because if you do want your photos like zoomed in or cropped or anything like that, they need to be high quality photos so that your pictures are not coming out blurry. So for the back, I think I want to turn the transparency down. Maybe not. I think I'm gonna put like an overlay instead and just make it black. Yeah, okay, that's what I want. What are we gonna use? Let's use beauty bundles. I don't think, did we use beauty bundles in this series? I think I may have used beauty bundles one more time and one other time in this series. Okay, so right here we want to put our logo or whatever your profile picture is on Instagram. Because I said logo, but my profile picture is a picture of me. So whatever you want it to be. Let's see. Did I make a folder for beauty bundles? Probably not. So let's use crowned. We'll use crowned instead of beauty bundles. If you want to make it perfect, of course, just zoom in and fix that how you want it. It's not gonna let me do it. So also I could make my own frame as well, which is probably what I'm gonna do. Drag and drop. There we go. Uh-oh. It's just gonna be like really small. That's one feature I don't like the fact that they let us type on the shapes now. I hate it, because when I'm trying to move stuff, it doesn't do what I need it to do. It's so aggravating. If there's one feature I hate about Canva, it's that one. Okay, so you're really not going to be able to see this logo, but oh, I have a better idea. I have a better idea. Since this is a hair company, I could use like one of the models as the profile picture. Duh. Okay, so this is our ad, well, our Instagram flyer for beauty bundles. So right down here we would put whatever the post is about. Of course, I'm going to put the website down here. If this is a real website, I have nothing to do with it. I just thought it was, I just used it as a default name for a logo design that I made. And it looks like my overlay is not all the way. There we go. Make it a little bit darker. Okay, and this default message says outfit of the day is where fashion bloggers show what clothes they wear on a particular day or event. So let's make this a slay of the day. And I think I want this to be in a cursive font. So let's go through some fonts. I like that one, which of course, because I use it on a lot of designs. Let's try to find a different one though. I like that one. I like how this font looks, but I'm not sure if this is the same one we used in another video, but well, we didn't use it. I hate the brush stroke. Like, I want it to be solid, but I think I'm going to use it for this one. I am going to add the logo, but let's pick a color. Since the Beauty Bundles logo is rainbow, I can pretty much use whatever color for content. Okay, so this is the slate of the day, and we are going to put like tag us in your selfies. So it's a different version of the typical tag us in your selfie type flyers that you see with the phone or like the Polaroids. I guess I should have made this white so y'all can see it. I don't know if y'all are blind like me. Featured in Okay, so it says tag us in your photos to be featured in our next slay of the day. I'm going to make this bold and uppercase, and I'm going to move it next. I kind of want slay of the day to be, well, it doesn't matter. And then I'm gonna turn down this line spacing. I don't like for my text to be far away like this. It wasn't that far, but still. Just an example. I don't like for it to be so spaced out. I don't know why it seems like my overlay is just not on the outside of the photo. Like, there we go. No more spaces. Okay. So to take it a step further, you could add like your hashtag. I'm going to add some Instagram likes, I think. Maybe. I'm just going to hit icon and type in likes. Yeah. That was backwards, but it's okay. So, maybe that one. Yeah, let's just use the basic one and then change the colors. So basically, I could just go in and add these around the photo, just to give it a little bit more. And I'm gonna make them, I guess orange and white is fine, like that. And then maybe one more. And now I want this other orange to be darker, but I feel like I should change the likes because they don't match. Okay, I'm gonna change the likes. I like the dark orange, but that's not the orange that is in the flyer. Okay. Maybe not. Okay, let me find this logo. This one looks, but this is the Beauty Bundle. Oh goodness, the Beauty Bundles logo that I created. Okay, that's centered. If you want to add it, I do like the really small logos on flyers. It just depends on what you're going for in the design. So again, this is a really simple Instagram flyer. You can add more to it. You can take away stuff. Like I said, you can put your hashtag. You can, give it a little bit more detail. Let's see if there are some elements that we want to add on here. I still haven't been able to use this on anything. And I feel like it doesn't go with this. This is more of a like classy flyer. But I guess it could. You can't really tell it's there. I guess if you wanted to. To be a little bit extra, you can add like tape to, I will use the Scotch tape, not this one, to the just the Instagram part to make it look like it's just stuck up there. You could add like a frame in the background or something. Let's see. There's so many elements. Good grief. Like this. Of course, position it better. We got some flakes, which I think I want that instead of, I don't know what that just deleted, but okay. Oh, those are ugly. I thought they were like gold. I don't like that. I think we recently used these. These are always a vibe because they're just like simple little elements that you can add just to make your design stand out a little bit more. So I've never used a Canva template. I usually just start from a blank canvas, but I feel like you can make something happen with them. And they all can be used. They also can be used for what do you call it? Like inspiration. If you're going through the templates, you can use them for inspiration, and it may help you come up with designs for your brand. But that is pretty much it for this flyer design. We took this Canva template and created something for our brand. Period. I hope you enjoy. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.